Hi everyone, I am Wes and you are watching my channel Teach TechSoft. Today we are doing Microsoft Word exercise 2 and in which you can see here in this exercise we will see here how to insert a table, how to use shading, moving the cursor in a table, and after that we need to follow these points. Open a new Microsoft Word documents, click on the menu bar, click on table, click on insert table, change the number of columns to 7 and rows 2. Okay, then click on OK. So first what should I do? I need to open a new documents, click on it. Okay, so I am here. After that I need to move it on this exercise. So first I already done it. Now on the menu bar, click on table, click on insert table. Okay, so we need to do these points. So let's back on the new documents, click on insert and click on the table. So after that you can see here in my this exercise, change the number of columns to 7 and number of rows to 2. Click on OK and highlight the top row of cells. So go back, click on here 7 into 2 table, I need it. Okay, and then highlight the top row of this table. So highlighted from here, so it's nothing, just wait, go back to your sheet. So I already done it. Now click on format from the menu bar, click on the borders and shading and click on the shading tab and click on a light gray box, then click on OK. Highlight the bottom row of the table. So I need to select the bottom row from the shading. So there is an option here in paragraph shading. Okay, if you don't want to do there, click on table design and there is an option here. Okay, click and share. Now shading, I need to choose color light gray for this, then click on OK. It's done and you can do it directly from here if you want. I'll do it. I need to do undo for this. Now you can see here, if I will select from the bottom row of this table and there is an option here shading, click on it and then light gray. I need light gray for this table, so I need to choose that one, so it's look better than previous. Now go back on the sheet, click on format, click on the borders and shading. We already done it. Now create a weekly schedule, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We need to type it on the table. So just wait. I need to type here like Sunday. Sorry, Sunday, Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then last one is Saturday. So it's done. Now save this file, okay, as you like, and then send it to me after that. Okay, save your file with your name with the weekly schedule. Okay, write it there and write your name and then send it to me. Okay, and if you have any question regarding this, so you can ask me in comment section. And if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and motivate us. Okay, then we'll do it more things like this. Okay, goodbye, see you later, have a nice day.